are prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lion. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
And that's exactly what Forex is. When you do Forex, you can still get your money instantly. You can still use it. You can still cash out anytime you want. No one takes the money away from you. You still have control of your money. But it allows you to turn your money into more money.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. You are welcome once again to Xmas, and we're about to enter New Year. And actually, this course will bring you opportunity that will make you rich in 2023. The topic is binary.com courses that will make you rich in 2023 with just $1. All you need is to buy the course and you start trading with $1 instead of risking all your money, blowing your account trading or trading certain margin trading and all of that. You can just get this course with few amount of money, maybe 1% of the money you should have lost, and you start trading with $1. Okay, I'm going to take you on my YouTube to show you some of the free videos that actually advertise these premium courses. If you check here, number one, this is number one. If you check the title, live $1 made to $11,000 plus binary option rights and 4 powerful profitable signal services. Right now, the courses, the VIP courses, like the premium course that teach people how to do these things, how to take $1 to $11,000 plus, as I have done it here. The video is in the private YouTube channel. Once you pay to get the video, all the videos will be forwarded to you. To get this course, it is called a drop buying off course. To get it, you have to pay $200 to get the course. I promise you, once you pass through the course, you will take $1 to $11,000 anytime you wish. Okay. So the next one is this one. Actually, this course teach people how to take $1 to $6,000 plus in 5 days. The previous one I talk about take $1 to $11,000 in 14 days, but this one take $1 to $6,000 plus in 5 days, and it is called MO5 drop. Okay, so if you want to have access to this one, the cost of getting this course or the MO5 drop course is $200 also. So you have to do something. Once you pay, the videos will be forwarded to you. The videos are already in the private YouTube channel. Then the next one is this. In this case, in this one, we teach people how to take $1 to $6,000 plus, and so we call it M1 drop. So this is M1 drop. You take $1 to $1,000 plus. So this is M1 drop. It is different from M5 drop. Okay, so this one we are taking $1 to $1,000 plus in a day. That is the difference. The difference here between M1 drop and M5 drop is that in M1 drop you take $1 to $1,000 plus. Why? And M5 drop you take $1 to $6,000 plus. Okay, so this is a great opportunity. You have to take opportunity like this and change your life by 2023. All you need to do to get this course, this one right now, is selling at $150, but I promise, like, if you didn't get it now that it is cheap, when people started enrolling so much or buying so much, because if everyone start taking $1 to $1,000 plus, like all these courses that take $1 to big amount, they will rise in price in future. The cost of getting those courses will increase. So you have to start now, so that maybe by next year, maybe middle of next year, the price might change. So buy it now. Some of these costs might go as high as $1,000, but now that's selling at $200 or $150. This one is $150. The rest is $200. Try to get this course, change your life, and become rich. Thank you. Bye for now.
If I made 400 grand a year, I would be embarrassed with myself as a husband, a father, basically as a human being. You guys haven't done the math, because you cannot live on 400 grand a year. And if you think you can live on 400 grand a year, I might have to go back and add number one, nothing. Anybody can make 400 grand a year. All you got to do is show up. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. You guys don't need to agree with me. I've already been paid my fee. I am not here to satisfy you. I don't care if you like me or not, man. I want to move a handful of people in the room to go from 400 grand a year to start thinking about, how do I make 4 million? Big boy right over here. What'd you make last year? 2.7. How does anybody live on $2.7 million a year? My plane eats $2.7 million a year. This dude needs to think different. He's running out of time, man. You guys all in the room, man, you're running out of time. You're in a space that is so frothy with opportunity, it's unbelievable.
You've got it if you're prepared to break the silence.